Good morning and welcome to my vlog.
Hey, you!
Who, me?
Yeah, you, man!
What do you want, buddy?
Can you tell me what are we watching?
Yeah, of course. We are watching Manoli's vlog. And welcome to my vlog. Yay.
Oh, hello guys, how are you doing? How are you? Look. Yeah. The sun is not rised yet. I can't talk yet, of course. But the sun is about to make its appearance. Yeah. Yeah. The time is 7:30, as you can see here. I got back from the gig 4 a.m. I think. I slept for about 2 hours. Now I'm getting to work. Oh yeah, good times. But it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind because you know what day is today. Okay. Today is Friday. 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 I need to wake up so my voice can warm up and I can do the Friday, you know, in the proper way. I don't know what am I talking about right now. So I'm gonna go and get a coffee and see you in a minute. Okay. Bye guys. Bye. 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 Since I got the office, I'm delivering packages all day. The time is 2:30, 2:23 anyway, and it's 34.5 degrees of Celsius. Are you for real? Really? It's almost October, and we have... Why? I can't stand... Shut up. I can't stand any more heat. Oh my god, it's extremely heat, and it's humid and heat, and I don't like it. I want my cold. I want my winter. And I need to get some sleep. Hello guys, how you doing? Yeah, you guessed right. Yeah, I'm dead, you know. But I thought of I'm sorry about my cracky voice because, you know, I haven't slept, and as tired as I get, my voice is, you know, cracking. Anyway, since yesterday, and yesterday's vlog, I had the footage from our Thursday's gig, and usually on Fridays I have the bonus Greek song. I decided to do that today for you. I decided to sing a song that I really love, a Greek song that I really love. It's a great song from an artist that passed away 2 years ago, and I was thrilled with that news because I loved this person. Nikos Papazoglou was his name, yeah. It's a great song, and it's one of the songs that, you know, I will never get bored listening to that, because I usually get bored if I listen way too many times one song. With this song, never happened. It has great lyrics. I will translate them as well, and just enjoy the tune and the melody and the lyrics that I will and the translated lyrics. So yeah, enjoy it, guys. Μα γιατί το τραγούδι να λυπητερό με μια σταρής και απ' την καρδιά μου ξεκόψε, και αυτή τη στιγμή που πλημμυρίζω χαρά ανέβηκε ως τα χείλη μου και με πνίξε. Φυλάξου, για το τέλος θα μου πεις. Σ' αγαπάω, μα δεν έχω μιλιά να στο πω, κι αυτός είναι ένας καημός αβάσταχτος, λιώνω στον πόνο γιατί νιώθω κι εγώ. Ο δρόμος που τραβάμε είναι αδιάβατος, κουράγιο θα περάσει, θα μου πεις. Πώς μπορώ να ξεχάσω τα λιτά της μαλλιά, την άμμο που σαν καταράχτης έλουζε, καθώς έσκυβε απάνω μου χιλιάδες φιλιά, διαμάντια που απλόχερα μου χάριζε. Θα πάω κι ας μου βγει και σε κακό. Σε πιάνε έκσταση απάνω, σε χορό μαγικό. Μπορεί ένα τέτοιο πλάσμα να γεννήθηκε από πιο μακρινό άστερι, είναι το φως που μες στα δυο της μάτια πήγε, κρύφτηκε. Κι εγώ ο τυχερός που το έχει δει. Μες στο βλέμμα της ένας τόσο ουρανός, αστράφτη συννεφιάζει, αναδιπλώνεται. Μα σαν πέφτει νύχτα πλημμυρίζει με φως, φεγγάρι αυγουστιατικό υψώνεται και φέγγει από μέσα η φυλακή. Πώς μπορώ να ξεχάσω τα λιτά της μαλλιά, την άμμο που σαν καταράχτης σε λούζε, καθώς έσκυβε απάνω μου χιλιάδες φιλιά, διαμάντια που απλόχερα μου χάριζε. Θα πάω κι ας μου βγει και σε κακό. Yeah, such a lovely tune.